Welcome back to Drawpedia Tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Jack from Animal Crossing New Horizons. If you're new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. Now for the middle point above his head, I'm gonna draw an arch curved line across right there. And at the side of that, another smaller arch curve line to the right and turn it downwards at the side. Semicircular turn at this lower point to the middle, and I'm gonna copy the same shape on the left side right here. A curved line across below the head right there to the right. For the stem above his head, I'm gonna draw off center a line upwards on both the left and right, and a curved line across at the top point right there. Now for his eye, I'm gonna draw a circular shape off center at this corner right here, and I'm gonna fill that in with black color. Below that, I'm gonna draw a semi-oval shape right there, and I'm gonna copy the whole thing for the right eye as well. Now below the eye, in the middle point, I'm gonna draw an oval shape right there, and inside of that, at the top corner, I'm gonna draw another smaller one and fill that in with black color. Now for his mouth, below the nose, I'm gonna draw an arch shape right there, turn it downwards diagonally on both sides, semicircular turn to the right, and semicircular turn back up, semicircular turn back down again, and turn it sideways with a semicircular turn it back up, and a semicircular turn at that corner downwards. Turn it inwards at this lower point, and I'm gonna copy the same shape of the mouth on the left side as well. And at the lower point of the mouth, I'm gonna draw across a curved line. And I'm gonna fill that in with black color. At the side of the mouth, I'm gonna draw an arch shape outwards right there and trace the outline of the lower part of the mouth all the way to the right side. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the right side here as well. Below the head, in the middle point, I'm gonna draw a circular line across, and at the side of that, a diagonal line outwards and down, turn it upwards, a semi-oval shape for the sleeve of the shirt right there, And from the sleeve, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line upwards, semicircular turn back inwards at this upper point, right there. At this lower line of the sleeve, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line inwards and down, and turn it upwards back diagonally. For the right arm, I'm gonna draw a similar diagonal line outwards and down, semicircular turn at the elbow point, inwards and downwards, curve line across at the sleeve, and turn it back upwards. Turn it inwards diagonally and turn it downwards towards the sleeve. Below the sleeve, I'm gonna draw his hand with a semicircular line across. Continue the line of the shirt below the hand right there. Curve line across for the lower part of his shirt. A diagonal line back upwards to the side of his left arm. For his legs, below the shirt, I'm gonna draw a line at the corner, curve line across, and a line upwards for the inner line of the leg. Copy the same shape again for the right leg. And for the patterns of his shirt, I'm gonna draw across some curve line at this lower point. And along his sleeve, a few curve line right there. And on the left sleeve as well. And a few circular line on his collar. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time.